And on a much lighter note, it is the comeback concert millions are waiting for. RM, Suga, J-Hope, Jin, Jimin, V, and Jungkook, also known as BTS, are back on the stage tomorrow, March 21. But before that, they dropped their new album called Arirang. Join us live from a BTS listening party in Taguig is mobile journalist Jazz Paredes. Hi Jazz, how are the Philo armies over there? Is anyone swooning? Has anyone fainted? And what were the general reactions to the new album, Arirang?
Actually, Sean, halo-halong emosyon yung nakita natin kanina sa listening party dito sa isang coffee shop sa BGC Taguig. And actually, kanina naghiyawan and todo yung cheer nila nung nag-play na yung unang main track, yung Swim ng Arirang. And of course, bukod doon sa emotional sila at yung iba nga daw naiyak dahil for the longest time, almost 4 years, nagbalik na yung ating global sensation na BTS sa big screen. And bukod sa magiging emotional, talagang nag-uumapaw daw yung kanilang saya kasi nakita na ulit nilang kumpleto yung membro ng grupo ng BTS sa big screen. And of course, bukod din doon sa kanilang naging streaming party, nag-enjoy din sila sa programa dito sa listening party. Masaya silang manalo ng mga raffle prizes kanina at may pa-trivia games din dito kanina, Sean. Nanalo sila ng mga official merch ng BTS at meron din namang nanalo ng mga fan-made merch dito kanina, Sean.
Okay. Jazz, may live viewing ba bukas? Whether there in BGC or elsewhere or maybe more than one?
As of now, Sean, no, nagtanong-tanong tayo dito if bukas ba ay manonood sila or magkakaroon ng streaming party para sa comeback concert bukas. And so far, ang nakuha nating info, Sean, ay meron daw streaming party sa SM North bukas, 7 p.m. Libre at bukas daw to sa lahat, bukas sa lahat ng sa fanbase ng armies. And so far, yung mga nakausap natin dito, dadalo doon bukas. While yung iba naman, magsusolo daw muna mag-stream bukas at iba naman kasama yung kanilang pamilya and yung kanilang mga fellow armies na friends para manood ng kanilang comeback concert bukas kahit team bahay, Sean.
Alright, well, maghantay na lang ako ng mga hiyaw ng aking mga kapitbahay. Thank you so much for that update. Mobile journalist Jazz Paredes coming to us live from BGC in Taguig. And calling all our Kapatid armies, there's more. Stay updated on the happenings in Seoul through the Kapatid channel's special coverage of the BTS comeback concert. Our MJ Marfori is the only accredited Philippine media correspondent over there, and she will bring us up to speed on the latest from Gwanghwamun Square. So don't forget to reach out to us on social media by using the hashtags BTS Live on Netflix and BTS_Arirang.